Hello everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Donna. Y'all are probably wondering what happened to me, huh? Like always, here the past few months I've been busy and now the kids are out of school. I got the grandbabies here, or not grandbabies anymore, are you?
Yeah.
Say hello to everybody.
Hi.
But today, Scarlett, say hi.
Hi.
Today we're making up some mustard potato salad, chunky mustard potato salad. This doesn't have celery, doesn't have pickles. It's different. I make my potato, it's never the same. You know, it just depends on what I'm in the mood for and what I have on hand. But this one I'm making is really good. I've made it several times. It's delicious. So let's jump in. Everything you need for this will be in the description box, the ingredients. Now here I boiled me up some red potatoes, and I like to spread them out so they can start cooling down. You know, a lot of people will put their dressing right on them hot potatoes. To me, it makes it more watery. Your potato salad, and just let them slightly cool a little bit, and it'll stop them from cooking. Now this is chunky salad, so these are cut large. But I used some reds. I peeled most of them, and then a few of them I left the peelings on. Because it's a mustard potato salad, you eat with your eyes first. If you leave all the peelings on, then mustard, it doesn't look too appealing. So, but if it's for you at home, it's better with all the peelings on it. So I'm going to let these cool just for a few minutes. Okay. Let me zoom this out a little bit, Layla. She's going to be doing the mixing here. So go ahead and put your mayonnaise and mustard over here, because if you pour this over your dressing, you know, everything, or you pour the dressing over your potatoes, everything is still steaming, and that causes everything to get really thin. Okay, you're going to bring your dressing here, Layla. Put it in the middle there so they can see. There she has her mayonnaise and her mustard. Get your spices. She's going to put her spices in there. Get your apple cider vinegar. And get you that whisk. Take that spoon out of there. And go ahead and whisk that up. So she'll get that mixed up. Okay. Now we know, too, we got the holiday of 4th of July coming up. Everybody's looking for a potato salad. We're having ours today with some Spanish or Mexican rice. I'm going to make a pot of beans up. I'm just going to bake up some sausage and have some of this potato salad. So the potatoes are cooled down. Layla, tell them what you baked us up last week.
So last week I baked up some.
Tell them what kind. Whose were they?
It was Naomi Judd's.
Can you believe this? I got a 12-year-old that is obsessed with Naomi Judd of the Judds. They just finished singing. They love singing. These are my grandbabies. A lot of people are probably like, get on with the video, and we will. I just had to throw that in there. I wish I could share a picture with them, but them peppers came out so pretty. Beautifully done by her. But she's going to go ahead and add her onions in. Some purple onions. Get them all out of there. Get your chopped up egg. Those are chopped fairly fine. Now the eggs are chopped chunky. And then she's going to go ahead and pour her dressing right over that and get everything mixed up. There you go. Pour it all over that. Now the thing about this salad, any potato salad really, a lot of people love it warm. But this kind in general, get it all out of there, baby. Scrape every bit of that out of there. Waste not, want not, right? We could be saying that needs at least another tablespoon of mayonnaise. Because Layla didn't scrape it out of the bowl, right?
Yeah.
But it's delicious warm. this potato salad right here. It's delicious. Go ahead and stir it up. She's going to get this mixed up, and it's delicious, I promise y'all. And we'll get it bowled up. Okay, we forgot to add our pimentos. She's going to get that stirred in there. Okay, my sweet friends, there is the potato salad. Now, of course, if you're going to have it for your barbecues, anything like that, make it the night before. All those onions and celery salt and the pimentos, all those flavors come out. But I tell you, it's good just like that. And if you don't like it really chunky, just give it a few mashes with the potato masher. It'll also become more creamier if you do that. But I'm in the mood for chunky, so that's what we're having. It's delicious. I wanted to tell you too, I'm pretty sure everybody, most of us that watch my channel, I've noticed, you know how to boil a potato. So that's what I did. I boiled them in salted water, a couple teaspoons of salt, an inch of water or so over the potatoes, cubed them very large because it's chunky potato salad, and I boiled my eggs, chopped them up in large pieces, and make sure I didn't forget anything else. Just put a little bit of black pepper on there, and y'all, really, this is really good salad. I'll have a piece of this here with y'all. See there, that chunky red. The texture of those potatoes is so good. By all means, you can use whatever potatoes you have. But those are more waxier, and you don't get that chance of it falling apart on you like you do with russets. But I use russets too. Use what you have. But that's really good. It's delicious. Very flavorful, and it's going to get even better. I'm going to go ahead and get the rest of my things going here for dinner. I'll pop on when I can, y'all. I ain't going nowhere. It's just been busy, and the kiddos here. And what am I making y'all for dinner? You ain't going to eat the salad, that's for sure, with onions. Now I got another Curtis here. You going to have a bowl of it, Layla?
No.
Why?
Because
she don't like potatoes. She don't like onions. She don't like eggs. She's very fussy. Scarlett's not as fussy as you are. But anyway, that's enough of that. Like I said, everything you need for this is in the description. And if you're new here, I welcome you. If you're enjoying the channel, please like and share and subscribe. And my store tabs below, if you see anything that I'm using that you may like, I'll put it there. But until next time, you guys enjoy this hot weather that's ahead of us. And I hate summer. That's all I'm going to say. I hate summer. But I love you guys. Till next week, love one another. As I always say, take care, God bless, and we will see you all hopefully next week. Make you some salad. It's delicious. Bye-bye.